How to run a network speed test on your Fire TV stick. Now, to run a network speed test, we don't have to use any third-party applications because Amazon provides them by default. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to go to the gear icon on the right hand side, and from there we can go to the option called network, and here we can simply select the network that we're connected, as you can see. Now right over there you can see it says press the pause or play button to check the network status. So hovering over to that particular network, you want to simply look for your remote and press this little middle button, which is its pause button, as well as also the play button. So when you do that, you'll see all the network status on your TV. Over here you can go to this option called advanced, or you can either go to this run speed test button. When you go to run speed test, just click on the yes continue button and it will start the network download and the upload speed test over here. And it's a simple method on how you can run a network speed test. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.